If you've been hunting for cute anime or video game plushies, chances are you've stumbled across plushshop.com. And in 2025, a lot of people are still wondering, is this place legit, or is it just another online scam? Let's break it all down so you know exactly what you're getting into. Plushshop popped up back in 2021, created by a group of anime and gaming fans who wanted to design their own plushies and bring a little joy to collectors around the world. On the surface, the store actually looks pretty solid. They offer multiple ways to contact them: separate email addresses for customer support and marketing, a WhatsApp number for quick responses, and even a Discord server where fans actively hang out. Their social media presence is strong too, with active posts and replies across Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. But what really stands out is the customer feedback. The site has over 11,000 reviews, and a huge chunk of them mention the same things. The plushies are adorable, super soft, and the customer service team replies quickly when there's an issue. That's usually a great sign for any online shop. Now, before you click Add to Cart, there are a few things you should know. Some customers have reported long shipping delays, or items showing as in stock when they actually weren't. On Reddit, a few users have suggested the company might be operating as a Chinese dropshipper, which could explain why some packages take over a month to arrive. There was also a report of someone losing money after paying through Cash App, which doesn't offer buyer protection, so that's definitely something to avoid. Using secure payment methods is especially important with international or smaller online shops. Here's a tip for plush collectors. If you want to ensure your order is safe, consider checking for tracking updates and reading detailed reviews for the specific plush you want. Sometimes individual products have different shipping times, and reading other buyers' experiences can save you a lot of stress. So, is plushshop.com a scam? Based on everything available, it appears to be mostly legit. The company is active, reachable, and has a large base of happy customers. The main issues seem to revolve around slow shipping and unreliable payment choices. If you decide to order, the safest approach is simple. Use protected payment methods like credit cards or PayPal. Be patient with delivery times, and double-check product availability before purchasing. Doing that, and paying attention to reviews, will give you the best chance of a smooth experience and a satisfying plushie haul. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll also be sharing upcoming videos on how to spot fake online stores, tips for collecting rare plushies safely, and how to make sure you get the best deals without risking your money, so make sure you don't miss those. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.